Hi, my name is František H and I work as a product manager with Atlas Copco, responsible for electronics and low torque assembly. I'd like to introduce MTF6000, which is a brand new platform intended for low torque applications up to 2.5 Nm. It's a connected, efficient and smart solution for all customers who require productivity, efficiency and connectivity. Actually, there are a lot of benefits and features which are really interesting for all type of customers or their productions. We can start with error-proofing system over traceability, or I could also mention more advanced tightening strategies on the market which are included in this solution. Our customers usually want us to provide them with something which can solve their problems in production. For example, floating screws, misalignments, missing parts, or low level of traceability. What I like the most is that kind of feeling when I see my customers really surprised in a positive way, how many useful features and functionalities are already included in such a small device. If you face challenges in low torque tightening, please contact Atlas Copco.